Hello, kids! Welcome to our learning adventure. Today, we're going to explore the amazing parts of our body. Are you excited to learn and have fun? Let's get started.
Head. Head. Eyes. Eyes. Nose. Nose. Mouth. Mouth. Ears. Ears. Hands. Hands. Fingers. Fingers. Arms. Arms. Legs. Legs. Feet. Feet. Toes. Toes. Knees. Knees. Shoulders. Shoulders. Elbows. Elbows. Neck. Neck.
Wow, you did an amazing job learning about the parts of the body. Now you know what each part is called. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to share your new knowledge with your friends. See you next time, little learners. Bye-bye.